What's going on guys, Kyle here from Guidewise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Fiverr gig FAQs. In the top row, select My Business and then Gigs, then select Edit on one of your gigs. When you're creating a new gig, you will also get to this option, but if you've already created your gig, you can go to Edit and then go to Description and FAQ. Scroll towards the bottom and then you will see Frequently Asked Questions, Add FAQ. So you want to type in a question that is frequently asked. For example, do you provide unlimited revisions? Then write a clear answer explaining your policy. Then repeat that same process for any other common questions. Once you have typed in your answer, just hit add and then save. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to Guidewise.